already has all of the necessary tools for data engineers, for data scientists, for data analysts, and so on. And in case if you say that, okay, Fabric, yes, it's good to know it exists, or architects or company has been considering using Databricks. So Databricks typically a third-party service which was designed or created by the same folks who created something called Apache Spark. And all of these technologies like Fabric, Databricks, etc., they all have the same Spark massive parallel processing infrastructure / framework built into them. So if you want to go with Databricks, your architects like Databricks, they have been hearing about that a lot, or they have used it maybe back in the day. You can use Databricks on Azure, and it's known as Azure Databricks. And even there, you can write the code in Python, very much like I briefly mentioned that you can have your code in Fabric. And I'll show you some of this stuff practically as well afterward. But in short, you can have your Databricks utilized with the Python code. And you can also later on create your pipelines in sort of a more graphical manner where you can drag and drop your notebooks. You can say you want to populate your sales data, then you want to populate your human resources, marketing sort of data. So you can create your data pipeline by combining different notebooks and so on.